The GlobalPay Smart Switch, a zero-margin Forex card at Interbank Rate that gives you the flexibility to switch between single and 30 currencies in a single card, fully managed through the GlobalPay app and delivered at your doorstep. No paperwork, no card replacement, no waiting. Use it globally in 180 plus countries for shopping, online payments, ATM withdrawals, hotel bookings, metros, all your international travel expenses. Smart Switch feature. Use it as both a single currency and multi-currency card. No need for two separate cards. How to get the card? Step 1. Download the GlobalPay app from the App Store or Play Store. Step 2. Tap Login or Register Now and complete the process using your mobile number, email ID and OTP. Step 3. Select Smart Switch Card. Now there are two options, Link Card and Buy Card. If you already have a card, please link it. Otherwise, buy the card first and then proceed with linking. Steps to buy the card. After clicking on Buy Card, choose your desired currency and amount. Example, $200. Add to cart and proceed. Add your trip information. Enter traveler details. Make payment. Complete your KYC. Steps to link the card. Enter kit number and DOB, then verify with OTP. Once linked, set your card PIN preferences and limits. Offers a secure, convenient and cost-effective way to manage foreign currency. Dial or write for assistance. Customer support at wsfxglobalpay.com +918 976 70 7222. Enjoy the seamless experience of Forex card and app. Download the GlobalPay app from the Play Store and App Store.